Hi everyone, welcome back with this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper of Saturday, August the 1st, 2020. The third one, we have a total of 6 Sudokus, but the third one is a 3-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1, 2, 6, 9. And I always count the printed numbers before I start. Probably 25 because the previous one, a 2-star Sudoku, has 26. So let me see. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 5, plus 4, is 25. 21 plus 4 is 25, equal to 25. So let's get started. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. The other 3 missing numbers are the numbers 4, 1, and 6. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The other 2 boxes should be the 6 and the 1. Let me mark them for you. 6 and the 1. Yeah. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in that row? So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes there. 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Three missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 boxes should be for the 2 numbers 1 and 7. We search for the 1 and 7. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 4 is missing. And the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 is should be there, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the column. And next, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 2, 7 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And then Yeah. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, and the 8 in this big square. We have a 2 and an 8 there, so no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 2 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes, 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. 1 box left in the middle, a row for the number 1. These 3 boxes should be for the numbers 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. The 5 is missing and the 7. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark them for you. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 3 and 9. Let me mark them for you, 3 and 9. How about yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then let me think. Oh, I bumped the camera. How about the number 4 is done. How about the 8? 8 is not done. 6 and 1. Mark them, that means the 5 is missing and 6 and 1. Okay. 2 8 1 1. Yes, here 2 8 and the 7. Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. No, 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair. So, and now, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is a 9. We cannot place a 9 there. We have a 9 over here. How about these two boxes left for the 9? We see here already a 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. 6, 1 and a 5. 6, 1 and a 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 5 and the 1 are left. Let me mark them. 5 and a 1. I see here a 6. I've marked these two boxes with 6 and a 1. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 6. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 3 we have. 5 and 7. 7 and 5. We have a pair. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Alright. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 8, and 9. 1, 8, and 9. We have a 9 here. So the 9 should be there. 1, 8, and 9. We have a 1 and an 8 here. So this should be the 9. Here cannot be the 1 and an 8. 1 and an 8. So this should be the 9. 1 and an 8 should be there. 1 and an 8. 1 and an 8. Yeah. We have a pair again. 1 and an 8. This should be also 1 and an 8. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now I've eliminated the 1, so this should be the 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this should be the 8. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and 3. These 2 boxes should be 3 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be a 7. This should be the 5, and this should be the 7. We have a 7 here, so this can be a 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 5. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4th Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye.